見た目が全て暗示。
Listen and observe. Give me a break.
Another motherfucker trying to kill me!
Great. Just great. Got a problem, Alex. Gonna take more than breaching one station to recreate the encryption key.
Fuck. Give me a sec. Okay, got another station for you to try.
Hold on. Let me ping the station remotely. Try to save us some time.
Clever. Good luck out there. And raise Reed soon as you grab that encryption key.
Yes. Hang on. Gotta go. Hey there, what are we talking about?
B, heads up. I can't talk long, but two things, quickly. First, good news. I managed to upgrade your Relic's firmware. You'll see what I mean in a minute. Don't worry, completely painless.
First, good news, you said. So there a second thing?
Right, it's super important. Stays between us. It's gotta. Proof of my trust. I'm sending you coordinates. Come after dark. We should be able to talk freely. Okay, B to Delta. But see you soon.
Ain't nothing without your help. Check out Ronald's Dream Stems.
Here's to you, carnalito. I don't think you recognize the street. Your room's exactly just as messy as the day you disappeared. Mind you.
Hey, you made it. Got a head start. A drink to calm the nerves.
You know, surprised me with the invite.
Surprised? Really?
Didn't know what to make of it. But yeah, it's nice to press pause once in a while.
I wrote you cause I needed someone to talk to. Someone outside the firm. And not some total rando. To take my mind off the mission, not worry about being someone else for a millisec. Hope that makes sense.
Didn't want to be alone to their nerves, huh?
Always used to tell myself, cut the jitters, Alex, you don't get nervous. But for a while now, I've been trying to be more honest with myself. I just want to be a normal fucking person for a little bit. Myself, specifically. Just me. Just Alex.
Starting to make a lot more sense why retirement was your condition to accept the mission.
Guess you'd call it burnout. Or maybe just the need for anything resembling normal. If I even know what that is anymore. Say, you ever think about who you'd be now? If, you know, life had taken a different turn?
I ain't proud of you running the streets. Haywood at least, that I know.
Padre might have something to say about that.
You know each other?
Well, I know him. Kinda doubt he's got a file on me.
To your health. Okay, now you. Who'd you be if not a secret agent and master of disguise?
An actor.
No hesitation there.
Always dreamed of seeing my face on a show bill. I love musicals especially.
Seriously.
Call me old-fashioned. So yeah, guess I'd be a braindance star.
Huh. What's so special about musicals?
The world in song is much more beautiful than in reality. Intensely so. Plus, I just like to dance.
To our dreams. For they alone keep us sane.
Ain't that the truth? Ooh, I love this song.
listen, and it feels as though I'm waiting. And I don't need no hand in my hands to know I'm ever heading way south. I think I'll find it all somewhere between the ice and fire, 'cause it's all I'm ever thinking. I don't hear anything about it right now. Take down all of it is jaded somehow. It's not me. So fade a little off in the wind. Make it up, break it up. Find that it's the hardest to hear anything about it right now. Take down all of this is traded somehow. It's not me. So fade a little off in the wind. Make it up, break it up. Find it, it's the hardest to be.
We'll see one BD posters in no time. I know it.
First, retirement.
How about we go to the Moth for a cold one?
Why? It's so nice outside.
There's this girl, Daphne. She's tending the bar there. She's really cute. I'd love to find her.
Buy her a drink at the bar she owns. Ain't nothing without your help. Check out Ronald's Cream Stems. I'll be damned. A real live customer. What can I get you?
Got some questions about T-Town, actually.
Sure thing. Toss 'em up.
Got some pretty unique places around here.
This hood just exuding clever now, ain't it?
Been wanting to ask, Ronnie. What's up with all the pics on that tree?
That's what you call tradition, June. See any badges around here? Mm-hmm. So, your tunes go missing, yeah? What you gonna do? Call Hanson? Nah, let's go on your own hunt. So you don't call no bog-ass dogs when someone near and dear go missing. You pin a pick to that tree, attach you's deets, sit tight and pray for contact. Peeps ever find their tunes? Well, sometimes, maybe. Not really. Not about that. It's about hope. You feel me? Hang a pick and you feel like you done something. Better than sitting on your ass, yeah?